PhishLake AI by Anish Kavi. Here's the problem. Phishing is the most popular cause of data breaches, consisting of 16% incidents and incurring the breach cost of $4.9 million. The commonly most impersonated brands are Amazon and Google. Phishing is whenever you send whenever a hacker, whenever a bad guy sends a message, sends an email, sends something impersonating something who he isn't. Like an email from Amazon who says, please change your password. But this isn't Amazon, it's an imposter. Why is phishing a big problem? Phishing is the most common form of cybercrime, with an estimated 3.4 billion scam emails sent per day. Phishing remains one of the 4 main entry points to an organization, accounting for more than 60% of all social engineering attacks. The global average cost of a data breach in 2023 is $4.45 million. The solution. PhishLake.ai is an AI-powered malicious URL search engine. PhishLake data lake model collects data from all the publicly available sources like PhishLake and Google Safe Browsing and collects them in one lake, which is encased in our database. Product features of PhishLake. It has a natural language query interface powered by AI, in which you type in English, simple English, and it'll understand what you mean. Simple English. No need of complicated SAT words. That's for later. Data lake, which consists of data from various open source phishing URL databases, like PhishLake, Google Safe Browsing, OpenFish. It is an LLM model similar to ChatGPT, language learning model. The technology it uses a Python, which is a programming language which powers the whole interface. Everything is powered by Python. With a learning library called Spacey. I'm gonna set it up. Hold on. We gather a huge list of phishing URLs from PhishLake and Google Safe Browsing, and we use Postgres to store the huge database worth of phishing URLs. What we plan to do in the future as a product roadmap, we plan to expose the whole data set as a REST API for third-party developers to code apps in mobile app, to code apps and services using our API. We plan to support more phishing URL vendors like OpenFish, etc. And we plan to create a Chrome browser extension for all this. Here's an app demo. We're gonna share it. Here it is. I'm gonna load it up. It's gonna take a while. Python projects, PhishLake. So it'll say PhishLake.ai wants you to speak. And then you would type in, hey, I'm going to type in deliberately bad grammar, to know if a URL is phishing or not. Then you would enter a URL. In this case, we're going to enter some malicious URL, which would be See? It doesn't say as a... We think that's a malicious URL, but it isn't, as it's not in the database. But here's an actually malicious URL. Even just typing URL, it will work. And here's a huge malicious URL I'm gonna put. And you can see it says it's malware. If it were Lobotomy Runa one the web app versus IBAN Rua1 web app. If these were legit URLs, this is an example of typo squatting, in which hackers literally register URLs that are deliberately a misspell of the popular URL. Like, remember Google, if it were like Google.com, it would be Google.com.